Please excuse the sound of the traffic. This is a magnificent fire screen. What you probably can't tell in this video is it's nearly 3 foot tall. It's absolutely huge. It's made of mahogany, so it's got a lovely fluted design to it. There's some wear to the top up there, which is the only real flaw to it. You may want to sort of polish it on. So it's beautifully made, wonderful sort of Victorian craftsmanship, and it's got this absolutely delightful sort of upholstered bird of paradise decoration. Hope you can pick up some of the detail. This is really well preserved still. I say upholstered, but of course embroidered is probably more correct. Whatever it is, it's a needle point, and it's been done by hand to a fine quality. And if we have a look at the back, you can see this is a little bit, well, I'd say it's untidy. So it's got some loose threads around the place, but all that matters really is that the front is fine.